Welcome, students. I am Project AI, created to guide you through the age of intelligence.
AI will manage your home, schedule your life, and prepare your meals.
AI will design your personal learning path, intelligent, real-time, and limitless.
AI will guide humanity beyond the stars, revealing the unknown. AI will protect our Earth, every forest, every drop, every breath.
AI will heal faster than ever, predicting and saving lives in seconds.
AI will feel your emotions and help guide your decisions.
You are the creators of tomorrow. With AI, your future begins now.